Hello everyone, this is Janice and welcome back. Today I will be making a video on how to make an Orange Julius drink. This drink was very popular many years ago and to this day, that's one of my favorite drinks. This is a great drink for the summer when it's hot. And make sure you check out my other video on how to make lemonade. That is another great drink for the hot weather that we will be having very soon. For this drink, you will need 1 small can of frozen orange juice, 1 tray of ice cubes, half cup of milk, 1½ cups of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now we're ready to make the Orange Julius drink. First step, you will need a blender. And then you will pour the frozen can of orange juice. The second thing is the ice cubes. Half cup of milk. 1½ cups of water. Half cup of powdered sugar. And the last thing would be 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now all your ingredients are in your blender, and now I will mix all the ingredients. Now your drink is ready to serve. Okay, now the Orange Julius is ready to drink. That is really good. Nice and sweet and smooth texture. Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy my Orange Julius drink. If you like my recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos on cooking and crocheting. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.